the internal iliac artery and their branches. I told you the abdominal aorta, it is dividing the external iliac and internal iliac. So internal iliac artery, sir, it is dividing the anterior division, posterior division. Posterior division, you can remember I love, S for Salman. Also you can remember S for Sunny. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Fine. So I for iliolumbar, L for lateral sacral, and S for superior gluteal. इसके अलावा जो भी ब्रांचेस आती सब बेटा एंटीरियर डिवीजन है ना. एंटीरियर डिवीजन दे आर सप्लाइंग द आवर यस पेल्विक विसरा. Yes, remember what are the pelvic viscera? Sir, urinary bladder and the urethra. So it is supplied superior vesicle and inferior vesicle. Okay, remember inferior vesicle artery is absent in the female because females are not having the penile urethra, short urethra. That's why. Yes, there is a uterine artery and the vaginal artery. Remember, it is common sense, uterine artery and the vaginal artery, they are absent in the males. Kyun? Yes, definitely in the males uterus and vagina is absent, that's why. Fine. And the rectum is having the superior rectal artery, middle rectal artery, and inferior rectal artery. Sir, superior rectal artery is the direct branch from the inferior mesenteric artery. Yes, middle rectal artery, it is the branch from the anterior division. Okay. Now inferior rectal artery, it is indirect branch. It is the branch from the internal pudendal artery, which is the branch from the anterior division. So just one view for your genitourinary surgery and the obs gynae. Agree? Okay, fine. Now look further. So these are all about the your abdomen part. I told you that abdomen and the pelvis question, they had been shifted to the genitourinary surgery and the obs gynae. So very few questions had been asked. Can you see? Again, I will teach you later this diaphragmatic hernia, but the Bogdalek hernia is asked. Okay, fine. Yes, anatomy is beautiful. Our pediatrics sir, my dear friend Dr. Anand sir, he says life is beautiful. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Anatomy is beautiful, life is beautiful, means anatomy is the life, hence proved iti siddham. अब इस पर कोई डिस्कशन नहीं करेगा. Okay, now look here. Sir, there was a question from the acute pancreatitis. So in the acute pancreatitis, bile and lipase are increased. So answer is the yes, serum amylase. Now they ask about the your this particular artery. So we know the proper hepatic artery, this is the left hepatic, this is the right hepatic. So right hepatic artery had been asked na. Okay sir, now look, they are asking about the ligament. So they given the arrow over ligament between the spleen and the kidney. So that is a lienorenal, also you can say splenorenal. So answer is the yes, lienorenal ligament. They ask about the inguinal hernia surgery. So in case of the inguinal hernia surgery, which nerve is getting affected? Answer is the ilioinguinal nerve. Answer is the ilioinguinal nerve. Okay, now look, they ask about the line. So I told you, sir, first horizontal line, the transpyloric line, it is passing through the first lumbar vertebra. Last horizontal line, sir, it is passing through the last lumbar vertebra, L5. And one more horizontal line, sir, अगर ये एक है, ये 5 है, तो इसको तीसरा नंबर दे दो. Yes, L3. So I told you at that time, transpyloric line L1, yes, transtubercular plane L5, and subcostal plane L3. Yes, upper line is passing through the lower border, lower line is passing through the upper border. At the L3 L4 junction, umbilicus. Getting the point? Fine. So this subcostal plane is at the upper border of the L3. It is at the subcostal plane. It is at the upper border of the L3. Are you getting? Fine. Okay, sir. So after this all, now identify the arrow marked structure. So they are asking about the liver, pancreas, and here is a spleen. So we had seen this one. We had seen. Fine. So CT abdomen is important. Now can you see they are asking about the conjoint tendon? I told you internal oblique plus transverse abdominis. They are making the conjoint tendon. Yes, it is not running parallel to the inguinal ligament. So they ask the conjoint tendon once. Yes, which structure forms the lateral boundary of the Hasselbalch triangle? Very easy, inferior gastric artery. Then they ask about this transpyloric plane, transtubercular plane, L5. Yes, very good, Star Lord. Now they ask again the ligament. So they ask about the yes during the splenic trauma, splenic artery. So splenic artery is running in between the yes lienorenal ligament. So this was the answer: is splenorenal ligament, lienorenal. So this was the your D, which was given in the option A. So be careful where you have to opt the answer. No? Okay, and then there was the yes subcostal plane which is above the umbilicus. So answer was the L3. So they are asking the lines of the abdomen. Yes, umbilicus is located at which vertebral level? So remember, answer is the L3 L4 level. L3 L4 ना. Okay sir, now we are looking the pelvis and perineum. Yes, मानो जब जोर लगाता है पत्थर पानी बन जाता है. So this pelvis and perineum, hardly it will take the 10 minutes na, because it is very small and mainly the questions has been shifted to the your you can say the obsgynec part na, that's why. Okay sir, so pelvis and perineum, we know the area between two thigh is known as pelvis and perineum. Okay, अरे अभी कहाँ का ब्रेक, अभी कहाँ का ब्रेक। ओके, सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट द आर, यस, चलो एक शायरी हो जाए ना, एक शायरी हो जाए। शायरी क्या है, शायरी ये वाली है, ठीक है। कोई तुमसे पूछे, कोई तुमसे पूछे कौन हूं मैं, तो कह देना कोई खास नहीं, एक दोस्त है कच्चा पक्का सा, एक झूठ है आधा सच्चा सा, कभी हंसने का कभी रोने का, बस एक बहाना अच्छा सा, राहों का ऐसा साथी है जो दूर नहीं और पास नहीं, कोई तुमसे पूछे कौन हूं मैं, तो कह देना कोई खास नहीं, तो कह देना कोई खास नहीं। ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू लुक फर्दर। Okay, sir. So look for this one, hip bone, right hip bone, left hip bone, and this is sacrum and the coccyx. So we are going to look this pelvis and perineum in this way. This is the lithotomy position. So this is the perineum. Perineum boundary, anterior boundary is formed by the, yes, pubic symphysis. Posterior boundary is formed by the sacrum and the coccyx. Lateral boundary is formed by the ischial tuberosity. Okay, yes, this is the ischiopubic rami, and on the posterior side there is sacrococcygeal ligament. Again, what are the boundaries of the perineum? So can you see this is the perineum? Entry boundary is formed by the pubic symphysis. Anterolateral boundary is formed by the, yes, you can say this is the ischiopubic rami. Lateral boundary is formed by the ischial tuberosity. Posterolateral boundary is formed by the sacrococcygeal ligament, and the posterior boundary is formed by the sacrum and the coccyx. Got the point? Okay. Now, the imaginary line is dividing the perineum into the two triangle, entry and the posterior triangle. Entry triangle is giving the passage to the urethra and the genital opening. That's why it is the urogenital triangle. Posterior triangle is giving the passage for the anal canal. That's why it is the anal triangle. And at the center, there is the our perineal body. Also, you can say central tendon of the perineum. Are you getting the point? Okay. Yes, here the 10 muscles are inserted. So never damage this central tendon of the perineum during the any kind of surgical procedure like the episiotomy. Never damage this central tendon. Okay, so look here, this is the our perineum, this is the perineum area. So baby head is coming out through the vagina, so you have to do the episiotomy from middle line towards the lateral side, because if you will do on the back side, here is the central tendon of the perineum. Never damage this structure. Okay, so again, can you observe this one? Sir, there are the 10 muscles inserted at this center tendon. Yes, two bulbospongiosus, two superficial transverse perineum, two deep transverse perineum. Sir, two levator ani muscle and one sphincter ani muscle, and one is the longitudinal muscle of the anal canal. So total 10 muscles are there. That's why never damage this central tendon of the perineum. Okay, if you will damage, then support of the uterus, support of the anal canal is lost, so there is a prolapse of the uterus, prolapse of the rectum. So due to this clinical point, you have to look for this one. Okay, now look, pelvic diaphragm. Pelvic diaphragm, yes, it is made by the three equation. Pelvic diaphragm is equal to pubococcygeus plus iliococcygeus plus ischiococcygous. Yes, ilium ischium pubis, ilium ischium pubis, all are uniting and making the pelvic diaphragm. Sir, this iliococcygeus and pubococcygeus, they are uniting and making the levator ani, and ischiococcygous is small. So you can neglect this one. So pelvic diaphragm is equal to levator ani. Also you can say na. Yes, levator ani is equal to iliococcygeus plus pubococcygeus. Fine. You have to not include the ischiococcygous. Done. So three questions you have to remember. Now, can you see the vertical section? Sir, this is a rectum. Here is the anal canal. This is the ischial tuberosity. Okay, so the sphincter, anal sphincter. So this is the internal anal sphincter, and here are the three external anal sphincter. So this is subcutaneous, here is the superficial, and this is the deep. Getting the point? Fine. Now see, there is the space between the ischial tuberosity and the rectum. So this is known as the ischiorectal fossa. Okay, sir. So whenever we are not drinking the proper water, sir, hard stool is making the fissure, and then pus is getting collected. So this is the anal fissure, anal abscess, and sometimes it is having the opening outside. So two openings are there. So there's the anal fistula. Yes, these are very painful condition. Fine, these are very painful condition. That's why we had sung the song छुपाना भी नहीं आता बताना भी नहीं आता, and there is a formation of the bawasir. बड़े बवासीर हो यार. ओके, तो दो प्रेमी के बीच में एक सीधा साधा बच्चा फंस जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके दोस्त इसको उकसा देते हैं कि ये तुझे प्यार करती है, और वो फिर बवासीर बन जाता है. Yes, it is very painful condition na. Anal fissure, they are important. Okay, sir.